Welcome to the no reserve auction of this fabulous 1969 Triumph Bonneville T120R. As a no reserve, this bike is going home with the winning bidder. Owned for the past 27 years by a British car and bike enthusiast, they purchased this post-restoration with only 11,000 miles on it. They've added another 4 over the years. Part of a larger collection, this bike has been meticulously maintained over the years. It starts right up and rides well. Let's go check it out. This Triumph has matching numbers, engine, and frame. It comes with loads of receipts, and as we mentioned, is available on Bring a Trailer at no reserve. If you enjoy British bikes, you should take a close look at this Triumph. For more info, visit us at Genau AutoWerks.com. Thank you very much.